Hey, what's up everyone? So today I picked up this Topps Chrome 2021 blaster box. I'm gonna open it up and take a look at these 8 different packs that I got. Box is telling me here that I'm gonna find 2 possible pink refractor parallels and 2 sepia cards. So let me just take off this plastic wrap off this box. I try to keep everything intact, just what I like to do before I toss the box. I know it's silly, but all right, so let me open this up. And there you can see I got my 8 packs of cards. So let me start off with this first pack. Try to be careful opening these. It's just the way I like to open up these packs. Kind of like a Pop-Tart. All right, so first card here, I got a Ke'Bryan Hayes rookie card. Plays for the Pirates. There's the back of the card. Next card here, I got a Jeff McNeil. Plays for the Mets. And then I got a Juan Soto. That's a nice, cool card there. You can see the holographic on there. And then, ooh, nice pink refractor there. Lucas plays for the Sox. That's a nice little set of pack there of 4 cards. Again, I'm always telling y'all I'm terrible at pronouncing names, so bear with me. Here's my second pack cards. Again, just trying to be careful opening these packs up. All right, got a Luis Robert. Plays on the Sox. Next card here, nice holographic Fernando Tatis Jr. Padres. Nice refractor card there. Ooh, that's a nice one there. I got a Luke Voigt. Looks like it's a prismic power. It's a nice little card there. And then the last one here, I got a Jacob deGrom 35th anniversary card. It's the 1986 design. Nice card. On to the next pack. All right, looks like I got a Keston Hiura. Plays on the Brewers. I got another Lucas Giolito. I got a Yordan Alvarez. And then my last one here. Ooh, nice. I got a Zach Greinke from the Astros. Sepia refractor. Nice card. All right, open up pack number 4. Let's see what's inside this pack. All right, looks like I got a Spencer Howard rookie card. Playing on the Phillies. Looks like another Philly card, JT Realmuto. I got a Kayvon Biggio. And then the 4th card here, ooh, nice pink refractor, Spencer Howard. So 3 Philly players, and this pack. It's also a rookie card, if you didn't notice there. So on to my 5th pack here. Let's see if I can pull anything good. Oh, looks like I'm got another 35th anniversary card coming up. Got a Corey Kubler. Plays on the Rangers. Again, the back of the card. Willie Adams, Rays. I always like to look at the back to see if I got a numbered card, just in case. Sometimes I like to stick it in the back. Another Kayvon Biggio. Looks like it's a refractor this time. And then, it's Sixto Sanchez, rookie card, 35th anniversary. Again, it's that 1986 design. Got 3 more packs left. This is pack number 6. All right, let's see what we got here. We got a George Solvier. Plays on the Royals. I got a Ian Anderson rookie card. Ooh, nice. I got a negative refractor. Looks like Josh Donaldson. That's a really cool card. Definitely gonna have to do some research on that one. Oh, and then I got another sepia refractor card. Joey Votto from the Reds. Again, terrible with these names. Pack number 7 here. Let's see. Looks like I got a future stars coming up. I got a Lewis Brinson. Trevor Bauer. Luis Castillo. And then that future stars Trent Grissom. That's a nice card. And then I got my last pack here. All right, got a rookie card here, Shane McCallahan. Got a Wilson Contreras. Ooh, nice. I got a refractor again. Willie Adams. It's a nice refractor card. And then my last card here. Ooh, I got a nice pink refractor. Looks like it's a Charlie Morton. Not bad, not bad. So, a couple rookie cards. I got the pink refractors. A couple negative refractors, or the one negative refractor. Not a bad pull. A couple of the 35th anniversary cards. I got a couple more boxes to open up and get posted, so hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up or hit that subscribe button. I'd love to keep opening up some of these cards. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.